Welcome back. Today we're whipping up a fly vegan banana pudding. You're going to need some organic sugar, vanilla, vegan cream cheese, and some cashew milk. We're going to mix this together. Scratch the hand mixing. I put it in a blender. Blend it till it's smooth. You need some bananas. Cut them into 1/4-inch slices.
This recipe is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
And if you can find them, line your dish with some vegan vanilla wafers. They are truly hard to find, but I'm going to put some information in the description box for the ones that I found. Now add a layer of the bananas and then the pudding mixture. Now we're going to repeat that process. Cookies, bananas, pudding.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
I cut some cookies in half and decorated the sides of the pudding. And then I added some So Delish cocoa whip to the top. Cover the pudding and place it into the refrigerator for 4 hours. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget,